Yeah, I mean I say yo, a pleasant night. You know, me never know say Mr. Ian Bowen pass off. But me I say condolence to the family. Yeah, I mean I say condolence to every Jamaican. I respect and love this man. We're not going to get another man like Mr. Ian Bowen to run profile. No matter who then get put there. I will not violate on this. From my little boy to Mr. Ian Bowen. May his soul rest in peace. You saw me I say. I know the family feel it to them hard, but only God alone know why. You see what I say? So just go and live on and not too worry about the dead, you see me? We know I love him and everything. Enough Jamaicans love him too. Yeah, enough international people love him and respect him. You see what I say? May his soul rest in peace. And God go with the families. You see me? Family members. Straight up to the time. You don't know. The one done. Yeah, we never know. I never know say to them bury. You see what I say? Yeah, the 14th of January 2018. Well, that is man. But condolence to the family. So may I say, straight.